The purpose of this video is to teach you how to create programs through the Programs tab in your smartPAR interface. Once you've opened the Programs tab, you can view all of your existing programs. Here you can see what type of programs you already have and which zones are using those programs. If you would like to edit an existing program, click on the green Edit button. If you would like to duplicate a program, click on the blue button to make a copy. If you would like to delete a program, click on the pink trash can. To create a new program, click on the Add Program button. Next, select the type of program you would like to create. The spectral control program can be used to create a custom lighting strategy by controlling your LumiGrow fixture's spectrum, photoperiod, and intensity. These light characteristics can be used to optimize crop yields and quality, while giving you additional control for directing crop morphology, color, nutrition, flavor, and other desirable characteristics. The daily light program and instantaneous light program are only available to customers that have purchased LumiGrow's smartPAR light sensor modules. They will be grayed out for customers without light sensors. Let's take a look at the spectral program first. The y-axis shows the percent that the spectrum is operating at. By dragging the circles up or down, you can adjust the intensity of each spectral channel. The x-axis is the time of day. You can adjust the time of day that a light turns on or off by dragging to the left or right. To add or remove set points, use the buttons below. For example, if you want only blue light in the morning, then full power for the rest of the day. You would set blue to 50% and bring the other channels to 0. Then you would choose when you want the light to switch on to full power by using the additional set points and setting those to 100%. Let's have our lights turn on to full power at 8 a.m. for this example. We would then use the third group of set points to tell our fixtures to turn off at 9 p.m. To easily apply precise times for the program changes, click into the number markers here to move set points to a precise point. When you're done, give the program a name, then click OK. Now let's take a look at the smartPAR light sensor programs. Here we have the daily light program and an instantaneous sensor program. By selecting daily light program, your smartPAR light sensors will collect solar data and use predictive analytics to automatically adjust your LumiGrow fixtures to hit a consistent DLI goal throughout the day. LumiGrow recommends our daily light program to ensure consistent yield and quality for most commercial applications. The instantaneous light sensor works by measuring solar data and adjusting your LumiGrow fixtures in real time to achieve consistent PPFD. PPFD is an instantaneous measurement of light. This lighting strategy creates a more dynamic supplemental lighting environment, where your fixtures change intensity at a more rapid rate to account for small changes in the amount of sunlight throughout the day. LumiGrow offers our instantaneous sensor program primarily for researcher applications. Let's dive deeper into our daily light program. First, you would give your program a name. Next, you would indicate what type of crop you're creating the program for. In this example, let's do corn. If you don't see your crop listed, you can reach out to LumiGrow, and our research team will give custom recommendations for your cultivation goals. Next, you would indicate any times that you don't want the lights on. If you have multiple times of day that you don't want the lights on, click the plus sign. LumiGrow will now have given you recommendations for photoperiod, DLI, and PPFD goals below. You will also want to adjust the transmission rate to match that of your greenhouse. Photo period recommendations are provided based on the time period in which your fixtures will be operational. The target DLI is the recommended amount of light that your crop type requires in a 24-hour period. Your daily light program will calculate solar data and predict solar patterns to achieve this target DLI each day. Minimum and maximum PPFD values are recommended here as minimum and maximum amounts of light that your specific crop type should receive at any moment throughout the day. You can manually adjust these recommended values based on your crop-specific needs. When you're done, click OK. Our third program type is the instantaneous sensor program. In the top left, you can see the spectral composition of the light your fixtures are producing. You cannot adjust this program. You can set your maximum target PPFD here by typing it or using arrows to adjust. As you can see, the y-axis on the graph adjusts to reflect the new range. Next, you would choose the zone that you want to apply this program to. Let's apply this program to working zone. Each zone's maximum supplemental light available is determined by your lighting layout. You can adjust the photo period by dragging the green dots left or right. You can also change the PPFD by dragging the dots up or down. When you're done setting up your program, give your program a name and click OK.